Welcome back to my YouTube channel Glam Goa. Today we are going to take you to the one of the most famous bird sanctuaries in India, Salim Ali Bird Sanctuary. Birds. Bird sanctuary covers area of 440 acres, which is huge. Timings of this bird sanctuary is from 6 a.m. to 6 p.m. Best time to visit this island or this bird sanctuary is early morning, because there is less disturbance of ferry boats, so you can spot many birds over at that time. This bird sanctuary is named after name of a famous ornithologist of India, Salim Ali. He wrote many books on birds and made ornithology of India famous all over the world. This bird sanctuary is also habitat of many mangrove trees. It is located in Charao Island, which is near Bandar. Nearest city is Panjim. You can come to this island by ferry boat. You have to take a ferry boat to reach to this island, and you can come either by two-wheelers or four-wheelers on ferry boat and reach here. You can see there are many mangrove trees in this bird sanctuary. Mangrove trees are usually found in coastline region where there is saline water. They are actually small trees, or you can say shrubs also, and there are many inhabitants, small mangrove dwellers in this. Good thing about this place is that they have put the stones to walk. Otherwise, you cannot walk on this land or sand. I don't want to fall in that. What is this roots that breathe and support. Okay. Mangroves have evolved as oxygen poor soils. That mangrove is proper. This area looks like some Hollywood horror movie scene, no? So silent and dark. Godzilla will come out of this. So we'll finish it. Oh, crabs! 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 I am not going. See, look at this. What? What if some snake is there? I am not going ahead. Okay, excuse me. Excuse me, crabs. Go first. There are crabs. I don't like crabs. I'll go fast. Oh my god. Maybe we should go ahead. There are so many crabs. No. Go fast. Then I'll go. No. Oh god. See, so many crabs are there. I don't want to kill any crab. Go fast, go fast, go fast. Go fast. What? I hope there is no snake. No. I should not be thinking about snake.
यहाँ कुछ है तो नहीं अभी।
अभी तक कोई बर्ड नहीं दिखा है। More than bird sanctuary, it looked like some forest of mangrove trees. If you want to come to this bird sanctuary, you should come early morning, because I think by afternoon you will not be able to spot birds. Okay. Only here I can see is trees everywhere. And do apply Odomos or any mosquito repellent. You can see on this way also there are small roots coming out of these trees. If you want to come to this place, please mosquito repellent लगा के आना, spray या कुछ भी जो भी आप लगाते हो. Do not forget, because there are lots of mosquitoes over here, of course because of trees. And if you want to come here and see birds, please come in early morning timing. Now I'm going to go up to this. What is that? Bird watching. Oh, okay, this is rusted. Be careful. Okay, you cannot see anything. I'm not going up. Nothing is there. Come. Mud flats coming alive. Okay. This looks like some nursery of these mangrove trees. They must be doing some plantation. What? Plantation? There are lots of mangrove trees. Why they are growing it? Already so many are there. You must wear trekking shoes or any comfortable shoes if you are coming to this area, because बहुत mud है and this thing, you may slip or something, so avoid wearing slippers. But they have made this good way to go through this area, so you don't have to worry much. But yeah, you will find so many crabs. I don't know, I don't like crabs. They crawl very fast. They crawl or what they do? They crawl on me like this. Okay, they come on me. What is that sound? Bird sound? Sounds like a bird. No witches are there. What if witches are there? What if I'm lost in this forest? No. Wow. There's one kingfisher, I think so. Kingfisher bird. That only we are able to spot. Okay, you must come till this end part of this bird sanctuary, or this way they have made, because from here you can see, you can actually spot more birds in morning hours. And this is end point. As you can see, there is no way to go that side. This area is what of Khazans? Something. This is kind of some ancient structure. They used to put one barrier, I think so, to prevent entry of salt water into rice fields. Wow. This is beautiful. See that crab? What the hell is that? Oh, if it will come near me, I'll kill myself. Look like some spider. It's a spider or a crab? Okay, so with the end of this way, I am going to say bye to you, as I have shown you this whole bird sanctuary. I was not able to spot birds because maybe I am late for that. I came late for this bird sanctuary. If you come early morning, तो बहुत birds दिखेंगे यहाँ पे. And please make sure that you cover whole area. Most of this bird sanctuary you will see only mangrove trees or some fruit trees. Okay, you have to find out. Or crabs, lots of crabs are there. And birds are there. There are, I can hear sounds. So make sure that you come till end of this way, because after all this, only you can see is inside. On the way, everywhere only mangrove trees you can see, and even the trees are dense, so you cannot see birds also. But maybe if you are lucky enough, you will be able to see birds if you come on right time. early morning. And don't give up. Come till end of this way. Then you will see this beautiful view. You can see behind me. You can click pictures here. And that's it for this video, guys. Please visit Salim Ali Bird Sanctuary. It's a very famous bird sanctuary of India, and this is something out of order. If you come to Goa and if you are like watching beaches every time is like okay, fine, but if you morning time, if you want to go somewhere, as there is really hot outside, hot here also, but yeah, it's worth coming here. This is something extra, like not just like maybe these places these places are not that famous, but you must visit, because there is speciality of every place is unique. So yeah, there are lots of mangrove trees. I have never seen mangrove trees in my life, so even this is my first experience. I have studied in my school times about mangrove trees, but first time I am seeing these trees. This is really something exceptional or something extraordinary. If you see this, how these roots are coming up, so do come here and see. At least something you'll see here, or something you'll get to know about this place. It will be a good experience. So I'll see you in my next video now with some new and different place. Till then, bye bye, take care.